This is what I'm dealing with currently. Now let's go and get groceries. So I'm gonna give you guys the house tour later, but for now I have to unpack all of this stuff and arrange them in the closet or wardrobe, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna do that and eat, then sleep and meet you guys in the morning. So till then, you can enjoy the time lapse. Okay? So everything is empty. Those are the laundry. These are my shoes, pants, the things that will not go on hangers, the things that will, jackets. There are stuff like watches, sunglasses, etc. Yeah, emptied. Now I have to fill this. How are you all doing? I mean, I don't even remember the last time I had a conversation with you guys. But yeah, as you can see, I moved into my apartment. Now, if you are all waiting for me to give you a tour, expecting me to give you a tour, that will have to wait, because I'm here to tell something else, that I'm ending the vlog here. And I mean, I don't even remember what other things I recorded earlier. Maybe I'll just attach the random clips that I recorded since the last vlog up until now, and the house tour will be the second vlog from this one. Why? Because right now I am packing for something else. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow it's my off from the office, so I am going on another trip. You can say it's like a weekend vacation, but it's not technically the weekend, as my off is on Thursday and Friday. So whatever it is, but I'm going. My flight takes off tomorrow morning, so I'll complete my packing and meet you guys in the next vlog. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching this vlog, and yeah, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Leave your comments what you want to see and what you want me to do here in Malaysia. The comment box is open. Leave your suggestions and I hope I'll complete those if I can. And yeah, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.